So here she is. She's only been unboxed this morning. I've tried a few styles with her and I'm absolutely loving the colour. A lot of beautiful, and it really is caramel and light blonde, all blended through together in a beautiful way. Really natural density on this wig. I can't really notice permatease on here. There may be some through there, but it's just really natural. And I have to say, the way ELLEN WILLE has blended the colours in these fibres is really amazing. Have a look through there. So even from the top of the root down, those colours are blended in beautifully and so naturally. But I just feel the way this is blended together is really, really superior, and you still can't see the wefts under there. Really beautiful, really beautiful. And this, my friends, is Arrow as well, in the colour Champagne Rooted, and you can really see the difference. This is a much more ash blonde and this really is a much more caramel colour, but it still does have some of those really lighter pieces through it. Here I've just put her in one of those pressure clips, and I think that's a really lovely look. Just for full disclosure, that little bit there is my own hair, but if you didn't have any hair and you still wanted to do this look, all you would do would be release a little bit more of these side fibres. You could have them down around your face like that. And if you're going to do that, you just even it up a little bit with a few more from this side. They're very silky and easy to work with. So I'm absolutely loving the colours in this caramel lighted. It's much more beautiful than what I'd originally anticipated. I think this is much nicer for me than my Champagne Rooted, even though I love the Champagne Rooted. A really sexy look, I think. A very sexy wig, and something that I could never come up with my own hair. So here I've just put a little part just along the top of the lace front, and I've just brought down a few of those fibres. It is a fantastic lace front. It really is undetectable, but sometimes in some lights you might be able to see a little glint off the lace. So if I'm going somewhere where 100% I don't want anyone to detect anything, I just take down a few of those fine hairs at the front of the lace, and then it is, I feel, 200% undetectable. I don't think anyone looking at that could tell that that was a wig. No way known. No way known. Which is a really great feeling. And it wouldn't matter whether you had some of your own hair underneath or whether you didn't have any hair at all. That is going to just look so real. And it's got this beautiful blondie piece to frame your face with. So for me, this is an inside light. It is all natural light, but I feel if I go out into the sun, the reflection on this hair is just going to be too shiny to look real. And I think the next step is to put the dry shampoo on and see if we can tone this down a little bit. And here all I've done is given the long part of the hair 2 twists and just put it up in a very small claw clip, and I think that's a really classy, sexy updo. a very, very, very fun wig in my opinion. And here she is in a much more relaxed look again, with a casual jacket, where it's getting colder. Beautiful wig, beautiful fibres. Although Arrow in Caramel Lighted does have an amazing lace front, sometimes you might just want to pop on a hairband. If it's really windy and you don't have your own hair and you're just worried about those little ear sides, the hairband is fantastic, because a hairband you can wear all year round, whereas the beanie really is only for winter.